Hey guys, welcome back to Skyclan. So today we have an incredibly slow flying aircraft for you. It's called the Turtle. As usual, free build plans are posted in our forums. You can download it from there and build one today.
Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today.
The laser cut kit for Turtle is available in our store, skyclanrc.com, at most affordable prices. Do check it out. All the link below in the description box. Talking about the characteristics of this airplane, it's a 3-channel, 35mm under-cambered wing. It's designed for extreme slow flying capabilities. It has rudder and elevator control, so you have no ailerons, so it will be a perfect for learning. Because of its slow flying characteristic, you can get to know the orientation of flight. So it's a perfect for a beginner who wants to learn orientation on an actual flight rather than going on a simulator. So this plane suits a 1000 kV motor with a 10-inch SF prop. We recommend using a slow flyer prop because we don't want the plane to fly fast, so it's better to use an SF prop. Just two simple 9-gram servos. You can go with Emax or Tower Pro. That's pretty much, and you can go with the 30 or 20 amp PSCs, and 1000 milliamp 3-cell LiPo battery is recommended power. So this plane is a request from one of our community members. A big thanks to him for suggesting a slow flyer for a beginner. So any questions or comments, you can directly post out in our forums and interact with the hobby people around the world.
So first let's build the fuselage. Do necessary single and double bevel cuts as mentioned in the plan, and apply tape on the other side of the bevel to avoid rips and tears.
Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Just like a darling, low hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with the steady.
Now take the two nose doublers and glue it aligning to the rectangular slots. Take the two Depron motor mounts, stack them together and glue it in the slot in the nose. Now take the former one and glue them together and glue it in the slot. Similarly do it for the former number 2. Now fold and check whether everything fits fine, and then apply glue and hold it firmly until it gets dry. Also make bevel cuts for the elevator and rudder.
Glue
the horizontal stabilizer firmly.
rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy.
Then insert the vertical stabilizer to the slot in the horizontal tail and glue it firmly.
Let me know when you're ready.
Also glue the tail hatch.
I've been messing with this steady.
So now we are done with the fuselage. Now let's build the wing. Firstly, do all necessary bevel cuts.
So I'm calling you. Lord, give me like the fire. I long for your company. Oh, girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Yeah, yeah,
Now glue the ribs to the given slot in the bottom side of the wing.
Smile, that's about all you gotta bring. So enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. It's like a darling, low and heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight.
Then carefully insert the wooden spar to the slot, aligning it and glue it firmly.
Самолет несет меня, будто в кулаке зажав великан. В иллюминаторе земля. Самолет несет меня.
Installing the electronics are quite simple. You can check them out in our previous videos. All are linked below. Now carefully glue the wing to the fuselage. You can also secure the wing with some rubber bands if you don't want to make the wing permanent. So now the build is complete.
So the plane flies beautifully, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out the free build plans and do check out the laser cut kit as well. Consider subscribing to us for more content like this.